pesos.
Hintayin natin yan, Mr. President.
Pareho
Puntahan ko
tayo.
po. Puntahan ko po ang inyong pagkakatalaga kay bagong PNP Chief General
Si Nick
Torre.
Torre.
Personal choice niyo po ba yun, Mr. President?
In terms of the police, isa lang ang iniisip ko, that people are safe. Now, it's like Caesar's wife. You're not just safe. It's not sufficient that you are safe. You must feel safe. Even if the statistics are telling you crime rate is down, drug seizures are up, that's not enough. People should feel comfortable to walk in the night around their neighborhood, that they can send their child to the sari-sari store. Yun ang kailangan. Kaya ginawa namin, and I saw si Nick Torre is effective at that. And so that's why we, in the end, we chose him for PNP chief. As a matter of fact, very soon after he assumed the position of chief PNP, we instigated already this new program of cops on the beat. And nararamdaman na kagad. That's the only way to regain the trust. And that's the only way that people will feel safe. Well, whatever, kahit anong mangyari dito, si patrolman ganyan-ganyan, nandyan lang yan. Isang tawag lang, tatakbo na rito yan.
Yung 3-minute or 5-minute 911 na dapat
That's what we're looking for.
Ano pa po ang inyong marching orders kay PNP Chief General Torre?
We still have a drug problem in this country. Siyempre, pumapasok pa rin yung sabu. So, sabi ko, continue pero yung hulihin niyo yung malalaki. At saka puntahan ninyo yung kung saan pumapasok. Yun ang isara natin. And we're slowly doing that. Ito ngayon, sinabi ko sa Coast Guard at saka sa PNP, bantayan na ninyo kasi ayokong bumalik sa merkado yan. Sirain na ninyo kagad as quickly as possible and make sure na nandoon kayo para pag sinabing so many tons, ilang tonelada, yun talaga ang nandyan. Hindi nababawasan. Bilangin ninyo ng gusto, tapos buhusan nyo ng gasolina, sunugin na ninyo.
Paano po rin kaya mararamdaman yan sa like the barangay level, sa communities?
Well, what is happening, because we were concentrating doon sa mga big time na drug syndicate, drug lord, may balita na bumabalik-balik sa mga barangay.
Yeah.
Yung mga small time.